Okay, the third type of common clog is a grease stoppage, and the closest thing that we could get to forming a grease stoppage is butter. Butter is grease. So this is kind of gross, but here we go.
Room temperature?
Room temperature. I want to put enough in there that I know I have a clog. I know I have a clog. And that does kind of look like a gross grease clog in a drain, right?
Yes.
So now we're going to see again if baking soda and vinegar, when you add it, does it form enough pressure to blow out a soft grease clog, which is different than a grease that's been accumulating over years, because you have that as well. So here we go
You
again.
want to put some water and make sure we have a clog?
I know we have a clog.
Okay.
In this case. I know if I ate that, I'd have a clogged artery. So we're going to put some baking soda in there again. I don't want the baking soda to be the clog.
I have some more here ready.
And I got to get the cap ready. And look at that. It did blow the butter all the way to over here. Whoops.
You have some more here.
I'm out. I'm out. I need ammo. Look at that. That's kind of cool. That blew out the grease stoppage.
Oh, it's still here. You want to add
Yeah,
some more?
but it blew it all the way around. That cleared out a grease stoppage. I'll get it flowing. Yeah, there's the butter.
There it goes.
So, I guess your mileage may vary, right? Everyone will have a different experience, but clear pipe, seeing has to be helpful, right?
Yeah, it does.
Right? So, thank you folks for listening,
Thank you.
right? Thank you, audience. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, that's what they say, right?
Yes, comment.